What's up, you guys? So right now it is 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to go to Home Depot because I have a big project I have to get done today, and I have to get a lot of tools. And if you guys know, tools are not cheap. So I'm about to get this whole garage cleaned up, hang my daughter's bike up there because I have a lot of tools. I got to install the suspension kit. Then I have the workshop coming in today. So there's a lot of work I got to get done, you guys. I'm on the road. Got the engine build, got the car build, got all types of things coming for you. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to Home Depot, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause this right here is about to get that 6.4 BGE block. Y'all thought I was playing. It is literally 5:14 in the morning. So I'm heading to Home Depot. So, cause I had to get a lot of stuff and I got work to do. Listen, just working on cars costs money. Oh, don't mind the car, it's kind of dirty right now. Man, as y'all can see, your boy's at Home Depot. About to go ahead and spend this money. Oh Lord, my bank account. Y'all, I done forgot my ID, but thank God it's in the car. So I went ahead and let them pick it out, so that way all I gotta do is just pick it up, because it's literally a lot of stuff, literally a lot. Whew. Thank God. So they did not have the freaking torque wrench. So now I gotta go see which ones they have, because I literally have so much projects to do right now. As y'all can see, it's noisy. But damn. It just makes my life harder. Bro, you guys see this, man? Yo, comment down below. I want you guys to really tell me, how much do you think this costs? Because Home Depot, count your days, boy, count your days. When I get back to the house, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I got, because like I told you guys, I am doing a build on this car and I'm gonna be doing a lot of work. So I'm gonna need all of this stuff. But keep stay tuned so you guys can see what all I got. All right, you guys, so I done came back. So got my table right here. I'm about to go ahead and lay all my tools on there and show you guys everything that I got. Whew, it's cold outside. Look at it, look at this, you guys. Look at this, look at this. This, believe it or not, if you wanna work on cars, you're gonna need some good tools, you guys. You're gonna need some good tools. So I even have room up there for this. But I got my jack, I got my other, this is a 3/8 impact wrench. I got my 1/2-inch impact wrench. Then I got the battery for this right here. Believe it or not, it didn't come with a battery. And I got 2 extra batteries for this thing right here, because, you know, we'll be going through a lot of juice, depending on what you're doing. Then I got some impact sockets. Then I got this torque wrench right here. What else? Then I got also an LED light. I got an impact, this is for like the impact wrench. It's an extension. Then I got the LED bar. And then I have these pry tools right here. And then I have these knee pads. So that way, when I'm like working on the car, I'm not messing up my knees. It's really not good to really just be sitting on your knees like that. And I also got this thing right here. So this is pretty much a start. And believe it or not, you guys, I actually still have way more tools. I even got a toolbox over here. As you guys can see, I got tools over here. So it's a lot. This is a lot. So you guys, I'm gonna start me a GoFundMe because yeah, I'm broke. I'm broke now. Car guys, you know the feeling, right? Yep. So I'm broke. You guys need to donate, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got these tools because I will be doing an engine build. I will be doing a lot of work to this vehicle right here. And I actually finally got my garage. If you have been watching my previous videos, So this is just the beginning, you guys. So this is just the beginning. But I'm gonna wait to see if my chest comes today. I'm gonna check the tracking right now. But I'm gonna see you guys when the sun comes out. So I know I probably said that I had got this for this. Look, it's for this right here. That's what this battery's for. So don't bash me in the comments, you guys, but it's cold right now. It's literally like 30 degrees. Like, no, I'm not even lying. But yeah, this is my tool set. You guys, I'm so tired. But thankfully, the guy from Home Depot, he literally was banging on the door. I wish I would have picked up my phone and recorded it. But they delivered it, you guys. I told you. So this is my desk right here. This is where all the tools are gonna go. Stuff like that. So this is it. This right here goes behind it. So I'm gonna have you guys with me as I put this up. So let me go ahead and put this on this toolbox and let's see how it looks. With the brackets for the back of it. So now I'm about to go ahead and install the brackets for the pegboard so we can go ahead and see how it looks. So you guys, I went ahead and got it hooked up. So this is how it looks right now. But if you guys want to see a video of how I got all my tools organized and everything, because this is gonna take some time to do, just putting everything, you know, organizing everything, cleaning everything up. So if you guys wanna see a video like that, how I organize everything, comment down below, or let's get 10 likes on this video. As you guys can see, not bad at all. I like it, to be honest with you, I like it. It's good enough for what I need it to do. So that's how it looks, you guys, right there against the wall. You guys, I was a little bit concerned because I was like, where's the rest of the padding? But the padding is right here. I'm about to show you guys. So all the padding is in this plastic thing right here. So I'm about to go ahead and take that out. And I got my keys right here. So let's go ahead and take this padding out. Well, without further ado, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and make sure you guys stay tuned if you guys want to see this engine build. So I'm taking you guys with me on everything that I do. As you guys can see, I took you guys with me to go get the tools. I did this with you guys. So, you know, you guys just stay tuned. You know, it's going to be a lot of content coming on this channel. And I really do. I like the finish. I like the finish of this. I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all my tools in here, organize everything. So if you guys wanna see that, like I said it before earlier, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys at the next one. Peace.